Real estate is always changing, and prices for real estate are going up. It is not uncommon anymore to need a jumbo mortgage, and sometimes that mortgage may exceed $1 million. Joining me now is a very seasoned realtor professional, Vicki Jacobs of Tierra Antigua Realty, and also her partner in crime for some mortgages, Ben Ramirez, the branch manager and loan officer at Sun Street Mortgage. Nice to see you too.
You as well.
Okay, so let's talk about the mental freakout about some people going for that $1 million home. Vicki, what have you discovered with home buyers and when they see that magical price point?
I find that a lot of people have to have permission to buy the $1 million house. It's like I have to tell them, hey, you worked hard your whole life, and now it's time. And it's not like you're going out and getting a house that's unusual. If you moving here from out of state, you want that magical home with the mountain view, with the 12-foot ceilings, and you got to allow sometimes yourself permission to buy it.
So once you get over that mental block and you say, yes, I can do it, then you take your clients to Ben.
Correct.
Ben, there's a lot of ways to get to a jumbo mortgage. First of all, what's the definition?
So now what's considered a jumbo mortgage is anything above $647,250, and that's in Arizona. That just raised for this year.
Okay, so it varies from state to state, from place to place, but people qualify for it. It's like they don't realize, oh, I can afford it. What are the ways you get them there?
Well, jumbo loans, anything above that $647,250, typically require a minimum of 5% down. Jumbo loans do require really good credit, so most investors are wanting 700 FICO scores or higher, and then low debt to income ratios qualify for that home loan product. Another way that a lot of people don't know about is VA also relaxed on their limits for what's considered jumbo. So now with a VA loan, you can still do 100% financing above the conforming limits.
So Ben, if someone were to put a little more money down and pull it just below that jumbo loan figure, what happens then?
It's just easier to qualify, a little bit less stringent as the jumbo loan, where you might not need 12 months reserves in the bank, just a little bit lax qualification with underwriting.
Vicki, how important is it to get a pre-qualification letter from a mortgage company before you even go fall in love with a home?
It can make or break a deal. Okay? So, and also if you go to a bank rather than to Ben, your banker that only works from 8 to 5, you can't get him on the phone. That's why they need a broker like Ben so that they can get their deal, because right now in this market there's multiple offers. If you've got a deal from certain people that aren't known well in the community, you could lose your deal because of that.
Vicki, Ben, excellent information. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having us.